In this video, we'll go over how to organize catering for vegan and vegetarian food in New Zealand in 2020. Hi, it's William here from the Food Truck League. We help hungry people connect with food trucks across New Zealand. If you're watching this video, it's likely that you're looking for professional catering for friends, family, and workmates for vegetarian and vegan meal options. Whether you are based in Auckland, Wellington, Christchurch, or the smaller cities and districts, we can help you out with food trucks across New Zealand. In this video, we'll go over 3 tips on getting vegan and vegetarian catering for your event. Stick around until the end of the video for our top tip. So, you've been given the task of a wedding, Christmas, or staff function, and you've discovered that there are a large number of vegans or vegetarians in your group. Tip number 1. Send out a Google form and find out what meal options your group desires. For most people that choose to eat vegetarian or vegan food, they end up leaving an event hungry when their food choice isn't accommodated for. It's also awkward as a vegan or vegetarian to tell event organizers that have put so much effort into planning that details have been missing. If you organize delicious food for those smaller groups, they will appreciate and thank you for it. Tip number 2. If your budget is limited, food trucks offer a lot of choices. Many trucks do standard veggie burgers or plant-based options. But if there are specific requests for a meal type from your group, they can custom make something to suit your needs. Choices like vegetarian lasagna to organic vegan recipes that have been tried and tested and can be made to fit your event needs. Tip number 3, our top tip, if your budget allows for it and you have a large enough group, having a specialist vegan or vegetarian truck alongside other meal options will do a couple of things. 1, it brings a special atmosphere to have 2 or 3 trucks at an event. 2nd, the wait time will be shorter with more vendors and you'll have a variety of delicious options. To save any tears on missing out on our most popular trucks, it's best to plan ahead. If you're thinking about catering for an upcoming event, consider getting a food truck. If you feel like you need to take action on this right now, check out the links in the description below. We have a series of videos on our YouTube channel for more tips about weddings to business events that will help make your event shine.